We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes seemed a bit worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you get worried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for coming back for another clean with me. Today's video is going to be packed full of bathroom motivation and tackling that mess. You guys know me, I don't really like cleaning the bathroom that much, so this bathroom definitely needed a really deep clean. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Belle. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely go follow me over on Instagram. It really means a lot to me. I am actually more active on Instagram than YouTube, surprisingly. And I also reply to every single one of my comments. But anyway, let's jump right into the cleaning. As you saw, I have been removing everything from the bathroom. That way there is nothing in my way when I deep clean this. This was all of the before shots, and I can't believe I'm even showing you guys how messy my bathroom is. But as you can see, I have definitely let it go. It definitely needs to be cleaned more than once every blue moon. So what I'm doing here is I have started to go in with a dry cloth and wipe everything down first. I find that this really helps with the dust and the hair buildup that has just taken over my bathroom, and it really helps when wiping it down with a wet cloth because then you're not constantly picking up clumps of hair. So I just went in and dusted, and then I went in with the Method antibacterial spray and just sprayed down the sink. And then I went in with the dry cloth and just wiped everything else down. I like to leave the products sit, which is why I sprayed the sink and didn't take care of it right away and moved on to the toilet and the bathtub. I will be spraying these down also. As you saw, I put like a toilet cleaner in the toilet bowl. And then I am using the lavender tub and tile cleaner from Method. This absolutely smells amazing, but it really does help with all of that yellow mildew, orange mildew, and it smells good. And like I said, I do leave these products sit. I usually start with the sink. I have a method of doing things, and I usually let the tub and the toilet sit the longest with their products to kind of just get up all of that mildew. So I will be hopping back to the sink and just wiping this down. It's so much easier after you dry wipe it first, and the bacterial spray really helps give it a nice shine, and you get comfort knowing that it is not germy and it's disinfected. I know personally my anxiety gets the best of me when it comes to being sick due to me having an autoimmune disease. For those of you who don't know, I do have MS, so I am very particular about how clean my house is, who comes into my house, but the bathroom has always been my arch nemesis. So yeah, with the tub, I am just going in and scrubbing the tub and tile cleaner into the tub. All the stuff did come off fairly easy. I'm sorry if I'm talking like 100 miles an hour anyway, sorry. But it did come off so easy, and it was so shiny afterward. And then later I went in and just rinsed it down with the shower head. But right now I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys enjoy the deep cleaning and the music.
You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. 'Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but now I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every
Here I'm just going in with a full-sized towel. I don't like when I leave things wet because I feel like they're not fully clean. So I do go in and I dry my bathtub after I wash it, and that also helps like pick up any hair or anything that is left behind. I don't know, this is just something I do. I don't know if I'm weird, but I'm very particular about how I clean due to my anxiety, and cleaning really helps me kind of ground myself. So yeah, does anyone else dry their surfaces after like deep cleaning them? Or am I just weird because I know some people just let the bathtub stay wet when they rinse it? Let me know down in the comments below what your guys' preferred method of cleaning is. Halfway through this video, I stopped and ran to the Family Dollar down the street from me, and I picked up some latex-free gloves, a couple face masks, and some cleaning supplies. I picked up some bleach, Lysol disinfectant, because this toilet was just extremely gross and I didn't want to touch it with my bare hands, especially because I did have a friend over for the week when I was in New York City, and she wasn't feeling well and Jerry wasn't feeling well. So I just want to make sure that I got this toilet really, really disinfected. I bought, like I said, I bought a Lysol disinfectant. I used bleach on it, and I also got some tank tablets, which makes the water blue, which is actually a really funny story. When I was little, I thought rich people had to pay extra to have blue water. But yeah, I used all of this to get this toilet nice and spotless. It is much cleaner now, but I did make sure to use disposable things and just get everything deep, deep cleaned.
I didn't throw your stuff away before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah.
Here I'm just using the Fabuloso disinfectant disposable wipes and just wiping down the rest of the toilet, like the top of it, next to it. I did try to use these to clean the bottom of the toilet, usually where all the dust and stuff handles it, or handles, yeah, where it gathers. I did try to dust down there first, but it didn't really work. I don't know, the head kept falling off my duster and stuff like that, so I just did go in with these disinfectant wipes just to collect up all of that hair and grime that was down there, and just to wipe around the toilet tank and the bottom of the toilet, because my daughter has flooded this bathroom many, many times, and there was just some mildew and stuff back there. I don't know, how does anyone clean behind their toilet without space? Like, I have a hard time getting behind this toilet to clean it, and I need some kind of cleany, extendy thingy.
Till the morning light, stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay?
Next, I'm just going to be spraying the entire toilet down with the Lysol disinfectant. This one I actually kind of found randomly at the Family Dollar. It was just kind of sitting in a corner all by itself. It is in the smell like mango hibiscus or something like that, and it actually smelled really good for a cleaning product. And I was also fidgeting with my toilet because I do have a bidet, and the toilet seat seems to have come off, or I don't know, the screws underneath were really loose, so I had to fix those and adjust the toilet seat so it lined up again. I don't know what happened, I don't know why, but... And these are the tank tablets I was telling you about. You put these in the upper right corner away from the mechanisms in there, and you wait 20 minutes, and it turns your water blue. I mean, who would have thought? And I didn't have to pay extra for blue water.
Did Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
For the final touches in this cleaning video, I will be just cleaning the mirror up. It was super grimy. It had water stains all over it. I am using the multi-surface, actually no, it's a mirror and glass cleaner from Method. It is in the clear bottle with the blue liquid. It actually works really well for cleaning the mirrors and the windows. It's actually one of my favorites. And then I'm going to be going ahead and just sweeping up the floors. Any toys that are left on the floor are obviously casualties. I don't care to pick them up or put them back in my daughter's room for the 100th time. So they will be thrown out. Hashtag mean mom. I don't know, let me know if this is something you guys do as a fellow mom, because they're usually just little tiny toys that she forgets about, and if it gets thrown out, she doesn't even mention it. So while at the Family Dollar near me, I actually ended up picking up a bath set, which I thought was super cute and matched my bathroom very nicely. And it was only about, I think it was like $10. And it came with a shower curtain, 2 washcloths, a soap dispenser, and then the hangers. I actually ended up breaking one, so I left my old ones on the shower rod just in case these didn't hold up to my expectations, since one literally already broke. But I'm so happy with the end results. I also got a bath mat, which was $8. And so basically this is, what is it, a Family Dollar bathroom makeover as well as an extreme clean with me.
Time. Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why, so why?
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion.
So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another clean with me. I really hope you guys were able to pull some motivation from today's video and got tons of inspiration as well. I'm super happy with how my bathroom came out and how it looks, and I finally got rid of all of that Valentine's Day stuff and put away for next Valentine's Day. So yeah, anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more. Bye!